This is for Tommy. This is for Tommy, guys. And this is for you, love. Tampururot din yan sila. Mahilig din magtampo yun si Tommy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everything. Pasensya na sa buhok ko. Kalkag, binoblow dry ko lang yan. And somebody's in the office and somebody's staring at Dada. Dada. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Look at that little boy. What? You're waiting for Dada to give you something? Hey?
You'll be waiting a long ass time. You'll be waiting a long time. Hey, little man.
No, what time? It's so
Mom
early.
block out my entrance path. I was like,
No. Look at. What do you think of this thing, honey? It's over there.
It blocks the sun. What do I do with my coffee cup? I guess I'm about
I don't know. Is it blocking the sun? Can't see the neighbor anymore.
Can't see the neighbor anyway. What are you talking about? What neighbor are you seeing? You want to get my coffee cup while you stand?
Why, do you have coffee in that cup?
There is.
Coffee, coffee, cabana. This is cold, honey. What's wrong with you? You always make your coffee coldies. Okay, guys. So, aalis po tayo, guys. We're going to... Watch out. Careful with the thing over there. So, I'm going to... I'm going to grocery. And I'm going to the Filipino store to buy galunggong. So, what do you want me to pick up?
Galunggong.
Galunggong. I like your office, hon. We all do.
Who's we all?
Your kids and
I always liked it.
Your kids and I like it here.
Now they like it. They can bug me while I'm in here.
Yeah, Hub's the one always like wanna be close to your face.
But he said this was my private place, and now look, it's not private anymore.
Anyway, and I like that you put the stick in here. I can watch Amazon movie. Nag-ano lang ako, naglagay na naman ako konting makeup, ganun. Andito si Mister. Naka-score ba? Wala tayo ka-score. Gipang pagod. Kagabi wala naka-score, gipang pagod. Napagod kami, nanonood na lang kami ng news, sabi namin. Wag na natin sabihin. Wala lang, guys. Kaya ganyan yan, guys. Ganyan yan kapag ano na, matagal na mag-asawa. Pagod, guys. Mas mabuti pang matulog at maghagok. Ganyan ang buhay. Tomorrow, snow is back. The snow is crazy. Over here, snow is crazy. New Rochelle, snow is crazy. So, Tommy is going early tomorrow to go to New Rochelle. Dito ako naghiga-higa, is nanonood ng movie. He's not going tonight because I want to spend time with him. So, he's going very early, probably tomorrow, say 5 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning to be there because it starts at 7 o'clock.
New lock for here.
Huh?
I got a new lock for this and a new lock for this.
Okay, I'm wearing this. Is this enough?
I don't know, is it warm enough? It's a little chilly outside. Why don't you step out on the porch and see? Why is your hair all bunched up?
Why? It's not good? Do you like it when it's down?
If you're happy with it.
No. In your own thing. That's what the thing,
Yes,
guys.
I prefer it down. What does that mean?
I'm so butterfly. My stomach when he likes something.
Right.
I love you. Well, you cannot find an app?
It doesn't work on here until it needs an update, and it won't allow you to update it. So hold on those.
I love you, baby. Okay.
I'm playing to have it. So.
We try to put my hair down. It makes my husband happy, you know. Maybe he will clang. Manalamin. Now my hair is down. My hair is down. Now my hair is down. No, no, my. Okay, I'm going, Han.
Okay.
Look, I'm down. The hair's down. Are you ready?
Yeah, be careful.
It's, I don't know what is the temperature now. It's in the bed. It's in the bedroom, Han. Oh my God. Huh?
25 degrees.
25?
That's the whole idea, having a remote thing, but you put it in the bedroom where nobody ever looks at it.
I'm gonna find something for you to eat tonight. You're allowed to eat fish, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, Tommy, it's very Catholic. He every time it's like no meat time. No meat allowed, right, Han? What is that? What is the day, honey, of that thing that you cannot eat meat?
Fridays during Lent.
Friday during Lent?
Right.
Why do you call it Lent? Lead up to Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday is April.
Right.
Wow, so from
Now until then, right?
April, right?
Yes.
From now to April?
Yes.
Seriously, honey. You did eat before. Mom and you eat.
Usually I don't, but you forget sometimes when you're at work and stuff and you don't even think, and you're like, yeah. So I'm not saying you don't screw up.
Anyway, guys, I changed this one because Tommy told me na it's hot. Oh, it's cold outside. It's 20 degrees. So yeah, so I guess I'm going and changing the same thing. This is my favorite, okay? My favorite. My favorite. I have blacks. I have a lot of. I have like few different kind of coat, guys. Pero ito yung pinaka. Did you know this, Han? This is my favorite coat. I will be right back and bring you some galunggong.
I know what the hell galunggong is.
It's a little teeny tiny fish for you.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Yes, it is. Yeah,
Thanks, but no thanks.
You're so guwapo na. Guwapo. No, I love you. Yung GoPro ko, for some reason, nalubat siya. So, ngayon, hindi ko magagamit, so cellphone na lang. So, pauwi na po ako. Alam nyo ba, nagpunta ako sa Filipino store, dire-diretso, parang walang hiya. Walang mask. Pumunta ako doon na walang mask. Ngisi-ngisi pa ako ganito. And then, yun, walang mask. And then, na-realize ko, oh my God, wala pala akong mask. So, tumakbo na naman ako sa sasakyan. And then, I try to, fix the GoPro. Hindi pa rin. I don't know what happened sa GoPro ko, pero kumuha ako ng malaking bangus. At saka excited also ako sa yung ulo ng hindi ako kumuha talaga, guys. Salmon, ulo ng salmon ba doon sa sa regular grocery store, meron sila. And then lang 1.59 per kilo, per pound yung so mura lang. Okay, guys, nalubat yung natin, diba? So meron tayong sa cellphone. So I got Skyflix for snacks, and I got Argentina, and I got another arroz caldo, and I got my Spanish bread. And Tommy, go eat your lunch. I see you eat your lunch.
I figured I had that soup before it was bad.
It's not even bad yet.
No, it's okay.
Luz, are you sure?
Yeah. I think it's clam chowder, so I can have it.
Clam chowder?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not bad, Han?
Yep.
Okay, Sarangani Bay na sardines, I got 4. 2 spicy and 2 not spicy. Calamansi for flavor for the rice. And I got my favorite century tuna, spicy, hot spicy, and the calamansi. And sa pilit, and also I got the galunggong nandun sa frozen freezer. And guys, buong isda na bangus. Paksiw, guys. I got chicken feet. Where did you put the chicken feet? Okay. Chicken feet, and I get what else do I get? Chicken feet and some swordfish, egg, celery, carrots, Brussels sprout for my baby. Yun. So, yun. Kain lang po tayo, guys. So, okay, guys. I'm going to eat lunch.
Onion? Do you have onion?
We have onion. I just get that onion. Binalik ko na naman ito, guys, kasi ang ginaw. Ang ginaw, nag-transfer lang ako ng clip dito kasi para mag-edit and maglalaro. Tapos na akong kumain. Ang kinain ko lang is yung pork adobo kagabi. And I think I'm gonna ask him to order something. Kasi gusto niya eggplant parm. At wala akong nakitang eggplant parm sa I'm gonna tell him. Wala talaga akong nakita doon. Han? Oh my God! What are you doing? I thought you don't bring anything.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
What did you bring?
I don't know, whatever I had piled up there.
Oh my God! All peppers?
Oh, this is papers.
Yeah, the papers, put it together because I put together papers downstairs that I can sit down over there and put it through it. Did you see all the black bags over there? That's all the papers.
Okay.
Close to your table. This is for Tommy. This is for Tommy, guys. And this is for you, love.
What?
I got something for you.
What you saying?
I caught a fish. Milk fish. This is really good fish. Kachelcha fish, huh? Do you know what is kachelcha fish? Yeah. You remember that movie? Jackie Chan? I like the movie. Rush Hour. Rush Hour, guys. I should nothing who alu. Since you've been gone. I've been missing you at all. Since you've been gone. La la. I'm missing you. I am missing you. Frozen pa siya, guys. As in, ang tigas. Ang tigas ni Inday, ano. Wala, oy. Oh my God, I thought they cleaned it. Na, ito yung problema ba? Ito yung problema. Yung mga himbis is lumilipad kahit saan. Pilit ra ba ito? Pipilit ito eh. Tuan na. Nangambak na, Jude. Sag-asa lang naabot. I think I'm gonna clean this outside. I don't like the himbis. Okay? No one like the himbis. Himbisan ko na lang ito sa labas. Uy. Tommy said it's sharp. Seriously. Seriously. There's no sharp in his knife. Nothing. Walang ka-sharp. I cannot even use my foot. Hand, so I'm using my foot. Oh God. And process some of the most. This is struggle is real with isda. Kunin. God. So ngayon, guys, meron pa siyang tinae. So ang gagawin ko is hindi ko siya nilinis. Ikakat ko muna siya and then later on linisin natin. I'm not gonna eat fish again after this. Buti na lang wala yung kamay ko. Oh my God. This is why you have to cut the fish before cleaning, because look, you have a nice round hole. So, the struggle is ito lang siya. Yung struggle ko is ito lang yung isda. Okay. Una, magkakat ako ng gusto ko talaga. Ginger, onion, lime, ito, at saka sili. Yung mga maipula na sili na maliit. Okay guys, ito na yung isda. Nilagyan ko siya ng sili, at saka iyan, ginger at onion, and lime din, dalawang lime. And so ngayon, lagyan natin ng konting olive oil. And then suka. And then toyo. Kayo na yung bahala sa toyo kung gaano karami. Pero yun. Minta. Ang gagawin nyo is, i-mix siya. Kasi hindi siya mix, di ba? Yan, ganun. Kalasa yung isda. Lagyan natin ng... So, ngayon, lagyan ko siya ng konting tubig. Pakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos. Tapos na ako nito, guys. Ibuboil ko to siya, guys, for few, maybe 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 minutes. Yan, 3 minutes. Or maybe, you know, quicker than that. And, lutuin ko ito siya, bacon. Kasi masarap yan sa yung Brussels sprout na pinakita ko sa inyo. And yung ano natin, guys, as in, guys, ang bango. Grabe. Ang bango. Ang sarap, guys. Ang bango din, grabe. Lutuin natin siya ng matagal. And ang gagawin ko is lagyan natin siya ulit ng oil. Masarap kasi siya pag merong olive oil. Yung alam nyo, nakalimutan ko, nalutuin ko pala din itong isda for Tommy. Kasi ayaw niya kumain ng isda ko. Nag-boil na ako ng tubig. Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Okay. Picture, picture. Ito naman lutuin natin. Yung kay Tommy. Kasi para matapos na itong mga ginagawa natin. Yun. Naliligo lang siya, guys. And then, pagkatapos yan, hindi pala siya pwedeng kumain ng meat. Sabi pa niya, what is bacon? What is bacon, Han? I don't get it. And then she said, it's a meat, Han. So now I have to decide, I have to ask him if I have to put it in the Brussels sprout. And then, he just have to not eat it. Alam nyo, itong mga puti, marunong din magtampo. Akala ninyo na tayo lang mga Pinoy ang mahilig magtampo. Ito din mga puti, magtampo. Tampururot din yan sila. Mahilig din magtampo yun. Si Tommy, paminsan lang yan magtampo. May gusto siya. And then, hindi mo na bigay. I mean, you know, yung like, yung mga kanin, or like, yung, for example, nagluluto ako ng chicken. At alam ko, gusto niya, ang gusto niya sa chicken is yung chicken thighs. So, yung chicken thighs niya, yung binili ko is, hindi chicken thighs, ano siya, breast. Magtampo yan. Kakain yan, kakain yan siya. Pagkatapos niyang kumain, doon na siya nagtampo na pala siya, pero doon niya sinabi pagkatapos niyang kumain. Then, nagigilty ka na kung masarap naman yung niluto ko eh. May parason pa. May pasabi-sabi pa ako, masarap naman yung niluluto ko. Mahilig din yan magtampo. You know, iba-ibang style yung tampo eh. Paminsan talaga sa pagkain yan magtampo. Or kapag aalis ako, grocery, and then, may sabihin niya na for example, may sasabihin siya na, I feel like eating like cookies, something like that. And then you don't pay attention because he said, I feel like eating. He doesn't tell me, get the cookie for me. Malay ko ba? Di ba? May power ba ako? May ano ba ako? Pagdating mo dito, wala kang dalang cookie. Kasi, cookies ba? Cookie. So, wala kang dalang cookies kasi hindi sinabi. Ang sabi lang niya, it feels like. So, dapat, kailangan pa lang, you have to, ang gitstabul. Gitstabul. You have to, kailangan, alam mo na ang ibig sabihin nun. Kapag I feel like eating something and then you go to grocery, then you have to buy it. Pagdating mo dito, ang hinahanap, cookies. You know? And then pag sabihin mo wala, o hindi mo naman sinabi, nagtampo na. Ganyan yan si Tommy. Yun yung style tampo niya. Kain. I don't know, pagkain lang yung naalaman ko eh. Kasi alam ko daw yung paborito niya, ganun. Akala nyo hindi marunong magtampo si Takman yung mga puti. Sus, ginoo ko. So, yun na siya. Yun yung kay Tommy. Post na yung kay Tommy. Yun. So, sabi pa ni Tommy, okay lang daw pag may bacon. Basta, kakain daw siya, hindi daw niya kainin yung bacon. Ilagay ko na yung bacon. Kamayin ko lang siya, guys. Asin. Paminta. Sarap talaga to, guys. I-try nyo ito. Asin. Yung Brussels sprout, i-brown nyo, i-boil nyo lang siya ng sobrang, nasa inyo na kung gaano ka, mas gusto ko itong a little bit of crunchy. So, kayo na bahala. Kung anong klase yung ano nyo. Yan. Ang bango, guys. I miss you so much.
I didn't go nowhere.
I already miss you.
You missed me before I leave.
Because you're leaving tomorrow very, very early.
Yeah.
Okay, before we go to bed, we're gonna put that thing in your car. Okay, let's try this, guys. I cannot give Tommy this fish. You know why? Tiny bones. Tell me, how's the fish?
The scene with your dad caused a lot of buzz.
Yeah, I didn't share
You like it? Do you like it?
any of the things that I was going through.
Good.
So I think
You like the
that
ano?
saw me
This
going
guy.
from being a very heavy,
Swordfish.
insecure girl with no confidence.
I don't let him eat that fish all the time.
You know, it was worth it because he took me.
It's not good to eat swordfish, right, Han? A lot. Hello, guys. We're gonna end the vlog. So you really like the fish?
Hi guys. Yeah, I like swordfish.
You do like the way I cooked it? It's not really, it's not hard, right?
No,
Kinda,
swordfish.
no, usually
taste it?
it's kind of tough. The meat, usually it's the...
Swordfish is never tough.
Really?
No, but the dark spot, when you get swordfish, the dark spot is very fishy tasting.
That's what it is.
Yeah, so if you get the swordfish and it's got a lot of dark in it, you don't
You
buy
don't
it.
get it. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Good night. Good
Hi
night.
guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Maaga pa si Tommy alis. So, we want him to go to bed soon. Kasi maaga pa siya bukas. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.